Have you ever wondered why some businesses grow rapidly while others struggle to survive? Many people assume businesses fail because they don't have enough customers. While customers are important, one of the biggest reasons businesses fail is actually a lack of access to capital. Think about it. A business may have a great product, loyal customers, and strong demand, but without enough cash flow or funding, it may not be able to hire employees, purchase inventory, invest in marketing, or cover unexpected expenses. One of the most common mistakes entrepreneurs make is waiting until they're in a financial emergency before looking for funding. Successful business owners think differently. They secure funding before they need it. Having access to capital gives you options. It allows you to take advantage of growth opportunities instead of watching them pass by. Funding can help you hire additional staff, purchase equipment, increase inventory, improve operations, expand marketing efforts, and ultimately grow your business faster. The businesses that scale successfully understand that revenue and funding work together. Revenue keeps the business running, while funding can accelerate growth. If you're a business owner, ask yourself this question. If you had access to additional capital today, what would you invest in to grow your business? Share your answer in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more business funding and financial growth tips.